Here's how to switch weapons in Where Winds Meet. So the first thing that you're going to do is, of course, go ahead and deploy the game of the Where Winds Meet. Now, once you're already on the game, click on the enter options on your controller, and then from the right side of the game, you will be able to see there the weapons that you're currently using. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the weapon, and automatically it will equip you the weapons that are available to your game. So that is how easy you change your weapons. Now once you click on that, as you can see, the weapons will be changed on the player that you have, and then you can go ahead and click on as many times as you want until you have the games or the weapons that you've been wanted to equip. Now, the next thing that you're going to do, or the next option for you to change weapons, is that you will see there a diamond line or a diamond symbol with a yellow one. This is also one of the buttons that you can go ahead and press for your controller to change the weapon on your Where Windsmith game.